Hello kada mila wakim sambla talk we se man merul papa ni gini nitla arim tuni tu bla province bimi across currently mi lugim kan problem kalau kama bin chalo country bla papa ni gini currently MSU blol UOG na tok mila wakim mosem na imisa kolimol all main all town bimi osem Goroka town Ley City Hagen town imisa kolimol why imi kolimol town because establishment and development established la place kind of sem all businessman setima all stores belong all business houses or government properties now all institution kind of some universities college staff in charge of province blue staff in charge of district blue you must be happy with that because this is something that's all walking this place blue come up town na walking this province blue develop so one attitude lo Papua New Guinea every time you fight focus blame lo cooking down government properties hospitals like hospitals school big problem in lo man meri lo Papua New Guinea especially mindset fixed na right so when it comes to some fight na kind of some riot against some leaders the first thing comes in our mind is burn him down is la building burn him down is la property this lot property tasol all developing province na district bimi so sila video mi bring him across lang Papua New Guinea when it comes to such situation if you like tok loman just tok loman no can burn him down property once you burn him down property and destroy him because everything there was cost money right time you work him same then you me at work him life be me go very hard now you me complain lo no good plus services hospital no got marasin because you me at destroy him when something will cost money eating him all universities now business houses or staff in the province blue or this is something that's all bringing money come in the district na province blue or this is something that's all putting money go in the pocket baloma probably or na susabli if you burn him down now all of us put him I blame him government him blame him government yes I'm true but the cause of the situation you me at him will cause him something come up so look out him or something or government properties all institution all universities or college staff in the province and district you look out him you ask place man Mary you sit down lab na kind of something in the province you look out him because this is something that's all puli man lo narablo province come in cell province blue na boost him economy block province blue na country blue me so you must look out him or something business houses business properties government institute government properties you must look out him this is all by helping me lo boost him economy block country so thank you lo what really thinking that's all share him video